Hello everyone, welcome to a new video and I hope you all are doing great. Today my lunch menu was simple and hence I thought of giving a quick clean for my fridge and washing machine. Once the kitchen counter is cleared, I would be able to take out the fridge trays as they get messed up quite often. Cleaning always becomes interesting when we do it turn by turn or little by little instead of doing it at one stretch. Also, we won't get bored or tired of cleaning. Seeing the cleaned area, our mind will instantly lift and bring a fresh, positive feel too. Observing the satisfaction after cleaning will eventually make it less boring. This is how I clean the trays. So anything spilled or sticky will get removed once it gets wet. The sides of the fridge usually don't get much dirty. Hence, taking out the trays is a much easier way of cleaning for me. These food storage boxes is ideal to store veggies. The handles make it easier to pull it out. These can also be used in the freezers to store fish and meat. As we can stack it, these containers saves space too. These large ice cream tubs serves as a fridge organizer. I store my curry leaves in this ice cream tub and the leaves stay fresh for quite long. Ice cream boxes, which comes in square or rectangular shapes, fit in neatly anywhere and can be reused for multi-purpose. Instead of overcrowding the fridge, it's always best to buy veggies and fruits for a week and consume it as soon as possible so that it doesn't lose its freshness and the nutrients present in it. At the same time, we can avoid wastage. We often don't realize the numerous ways of recycling or reusing things around us. Now you will see how well these old Ziploc plastic bags can be reused as fridge liners. Because of the cold temperature inside the fridge, they will stick on to the sides and will not move and acts exactly like a fridge liner. This technique of cleaning with baking soda and vinegar was indeed a game changer. The rashes which constantly used to appear on my daughter's legs was put to halt after I found this. I give a self wash for my washing machine once in 3 weeks. This issue is mainly found in fully automatic washing machines. Washing this way will flush out and kill the bacteria hiding. Hope this would be helpful for any of you going through the similar situation. As the Lent season is going on, my kitchen is dealing with veggies in full swing. Preparing Paneer burji is so simple and yummy. So, getting started with Paneer burji and rotis for the night. How do you deal with the watering of eyes while cutting the onions? This is my trick of washing both the sides of the onion once peeled, and it really works. Thank you so much for your time and see you all in the next video.